Once again, it's tea time, and I'm back with some more fashion finds for you. This time I am doing an unboxing. And the unboxing that I'm doing is Target brand clothing and Nasty Gal. Now, we're going to start off with the Target, but let me tell you about this Target situation. So Target, it is Black History Month, as you know. Target is having Black History deals as far as clothing that show appreciation towards the Black History Month. And let me pause for a minute and tell you, if you are not subscribed as yet, please take this time to do so. And also, don't forget to like the video. It helps the algorithm. Also, I am on Instagram under Miss Kim's Tea, and I'm also on TikTok under Miss Kim's Tea. Please take your time to go and follow me there too. All right, so for the first unboxing situation, Target. Okay, I'll wait it. Okay, let me see here. Okay. And this is the first thing here. Oh, let me take this plastic off of there. You see here, nice little bag. I am so excited about this. I am going to style my butt off with this. And let me tell you the price. Oh, that's why I brought my glasses in here, because I can never see. Okay, it is $25. It feels good. Doesn't feel cheap. Doesn't feel like it's gonna rip anytime soon or anything like that. All right, so I'm liking that. Also, here's the zipper deal. And I'm gonna unzip and show you how much space is in there. So there's the space. And the footwear and stuff in there. Let me see if it has any pockets. It does. It has a couple of little pockets there. I don't know if I can, as you can see that. Nice and sturdy. Loving that bag. And I'm definitely going to show you ways that I style this stuff too before it's said and done. Okay. So let me do the other Target item. All right, this bag here. Okay. Look here. Uh-oh, upside down. Look here. So that shirt, oh, I like how this kind of shimmers, the earring part. You see that? The gold? I like that. Anyway, this matches the bag. Nice and comfy feeling. I'm so excited. Gonna be styling this up. Okay. I got this in a large. And you see here? So it says Black History Month. All right. Love it, love it. And this goes for $18. And there are many other things that you could choose from Target right now, celebrating the Black History Month. What I also might do is show a few clips of those too, you know, just give you some ideas. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be unboxing is from Nasty Gal. Nasty Gal, I love that brand. I just recently found out about them. Well, recently, but kind of not recently. I found out about them probably 2 years ago. All right. Okay, so item number 1. It is a sweater. Okay. I know I got this sweater on sale because I do everything by sale, baby, okay? I'm not trying to pay that regular price. But I believe, oh, well, it ought to say on here. And alas, it does not. But I'm very sure I paid $18 for it, and I believe it was $36. But you see it's cut off some there. And it has a wide neck, so you wear it kind of off shoulder. Yes, I'm gonna pair that with probably some high-waisted jeans or some type of high-waisted pant. Again, I'm gonna show it. You see that wide sleeve? Oh, I like how it feels too. It's heavy, but it's not like super heavy. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, that's sweater number 1. Okay, and this sweater number 2 here. Yeah, my memory, I paid $18 for each of these. And I do believe they were like $36. Okay. And that is the next one. I'm loving that. Looks exactly like it did on the order form online. I mean, look at that. I love. Yes, this one feels a little warmer than the other one. They both feel, here's the deal. They are not so expensive at all, but it feels such quality. It doesn't feel cheap. I do not like clothing that has that cheap feel, because y'all know I'm a thrifter, and even with thrifting, I'm not gonna pick it up if it's cheap feeling. But I am very pleased with my order. Okay, and so for the good part comes when I style it up for you. I'm gonna show you how to elevate it up and how to elevate it down. Or, you know what I'm saying. All right, I'll be back.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You showed me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Felt like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Like this before. Yeah. I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. back. Yeah. I'm in love with you in every way.